Does your Galaxy S25 Ultra still show the regular keyboard instead of handwriting mode when you pull out the S Pen? Let's fix that together. Here's what you need to do. Open any app where the keyboard appears, like when you are opening a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap handwriting. And then make sure S Pen detection is turned on. When this option is on, your phone will automatically switch to handwriting input whenever you remove the S Pen. Let's test it now. Go back to your note. Then pull out the S Pen. As you can see, the handwriting panel appears instead of the normal keyboard. When I put the S Pen back, it goes back to normal typing. This setting is really helpful if you prefer handwriting for quick note, text messages, or short. And if you want your phone to act this way every time, just keep pen detection enabled. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.